Hello to all of my fabulous crafty friends out there. This is Mariposa coming to you with an unboxing of a Ladybug themed kit. It was designed and put together by an Instagrammer. Her name is, her Instagram channel and business is Crafty by Nature. And I've highlighted her kits before. This one was a new theme, so I couldn't wait to get my hands on it. She included this adorable charm with a ladybug bow, and this is the packaging. Her packaging is amazing. Okay, so I'm just gonna pull things out so they can just be admired and speak for themselves. So she included 8 ladybug, and of course the color scheme is red, flowers, and everything is handmade and hand curated by her. Let's give you guys a better sense. Those are metal centers, by the way. So there was that. Get back to that. She also included a ladybug die. And she always includes bows. So this is the one. These are the ones that were included in this kit. Ladybug themed every time. What are these called? I don't remember. You guys know what those are called. It'll come to me hopefully before the end of the video. All right, and we've got, of course, it wouldn't be ladybug themed if there wasn't red, white, and black twine and not twine. You guys know what that is. Trim. There we go. All right. She also made some adorable ladybugs with bling and floral heads. You got 3 of those. We have some ladybug themed ribbon. Pinwheels is the word coming to my mind, but that is not what these are called. Some of these ladybug colors, must be the heat. Oh, these are adorable though. And how stunning are these? I always love the images that she finds, and these are shaker. Does this say lucky buy? I think that's what that says. This says tiny wishes. This one. And this one's just a shaker ladybug. Very cute. All right, she always gives you sentiments. Lucky, love bug, tiny wishes, and ladybug kisses. Digital images, that's the word I was looking for. Okay. And then I believe these are 3x3 cards. Yes, they are. I love that she uses the metal. That is, I would have never thought of that. But that's why this hobby is so amazing, because we all think and see differently. Love it. Love it. And her stuff is well made, does not fall apart. It's like, you know, and well designed. It really, really is. Okay, so she's included some of the digital images. Rosettes. There we go. That came. So we have the paper rosettes and the crepe paper. Whew, boy, that was going to bother me. Whew. I know you guys are like screaming, it's called a rosette. So again, I don't know where she gets these, but I always love her digital images that she includes. Look at this one. The ladybug teddy bear looking at the ladybug. But if you like the kawaii kind of look, because I find her stuff tends to be more on the cutesy side, she is your go-to. And I've always been, since my early planner days, I've always been a kawaii kind of gal. Must be because I work with early childhood. It's very hard for me not to gravitate towards cutesy. Can't help it. These are adorable. Okay, and so we've got 2 more things. And again, everything is just beautifully packaged. And, you know, this is probably going to be, will I keep the kit in here? Maybe. But this might also be a great summer makeup bag or crafty bag. We'll see. And she included 2 of these. Yay. Yay. I was so excited that she included 2. Because I really got to up my, my charm game. It is not where I want it to be. Okay, so if that didn't feel like enough, friends. Oh, and mind you, she doesn't make like 20 of these. She'll make 10, but you can understand why. Here is a decorated, whatchamacallit box. I like that she included the little rose with non-stop goodies in the compartment. So we've got beads. Okay, hold on, let's see. We've got beads, some red ones, regular beads. Actually, these are not regular beads. Look at that. I love this ladybug one. And then erasers, ladybug erasers. These are bells. I think that's cute though. Whoop, 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 whoop. That's super cute. Okay. And we've got, and it's so interesting because red is a color. That's another one. It's like up there with purple, where I just feel like, I don't know, red is a color people stay away from, except for Valentine's. And even then, you see everything, you know, you see plenty of blue and pink too. Here's an adorable pin, ladybug pin. And here's another charm. We got some flowers for the ladybugs to land on. And then just different kinds of charms. I thought that was adorable. That one's one of my favorites. Here's a tulip, red tulip. But I like to call the Beauty and the Beast flower. Okay, we've got this one. Oh, there's another one, repeat of that one. And then usually she gives you like more than one so that you're not, you know, you don't have that, oh my gosh, I used them all up. Where am I going to get another one? Okay. Oh. Right, there we go. All right, and then we've got these little, I always like these. I do have some of these. Like the plastic ladybugs. The wooden ones. We got some plastic ones and wooden ones. Different sizes. Okay, we've got some more. Here we got some buttons and some charms over here. Some fabric flower charms. And then another plastic ladybug. These are all the little plastic flowers in red and black. Here's some more of the ladybugs, but these are like glass. And here's another charm. There's some buttons. Yeah, it's the same thing. This one's just bigger. Okay, I hope I'm staying in frame. I am trying. Okay, and then over here, it's just more, even more charms. Like, again, as if this wasn't enough, here's like more charms. I'll zoom in some more. We can take some of these out. I like the little ladybug figure 8 or mask. That is so cute. I mean, she's always has me in awe. Like, where do you get all these things? And you can tell she was really looking for things. You know what I mean? Like, all right, some of these are repeating, but it's okay. This is one of my favorites, the heart with the flower. Super cute, though. Okay, oh, look at this one. This is Ladybug on a leaf. Super cute. Okay, and then I think the rest of them I can just kind of show you guys. But we have this tiny ladybug there. Here's a dragonfly and a ladybug making friends. That's blingy. Okay, but anyhow, I think you guys, you get the idea. But yes, I come on and show her kits every single time I get one. I'm never disappointed and always feel, you know, compelled to come on and celebrate because they're just amazing. They really are. So her information will be linked down below. I hope you were craftily inspired by this video. I want to welcome all of my new subscribers and say, I hope you're enjoying yourselves and wish everybody a beautiful, crafty day. Take care now. Take care, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.